How to find block list on Instagram. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find block list on Instagram. Without further ado, let's get started. Before you head on to the Instagram app, please visit your app store or your Play Store and see if your Instagram is up to date. If it says update, just click on that so you will have the latest features and that you'll be facing the same user interface, and so you will be guided all throughout. After you have made sure of that, just open your Instagram app. And from your homepage, or if you're from any other page, make sure that you are currently at the profile page. So to do that, just click on your profile icon at the bottom right hand corner right here, and you are on your profile page. So from here, just click on this 3-bar line icon at the top right corner. So you will have many options. Just click on settings right here. And finally, click on privacy. And here you can see many interactions that you can customize on who can see them. And also when you scroll down a bit, you will see the connection section. And here you can see the blocked accounts, the restricted accounts, the muted accounts, and also the accounts you follow. So just click on blocked accounts right here. And immediately you will see the list of people that you have blocked before. So this is just a random account that I have blocked before recording this video. So you can, from here, you can click on unblock if you want to unblock that account, or you can also click on this add icon and choose to block any account you want. So just click on block right here if you want to block that certain account. So for example, click on block, and if you block a person, they won't be able to message you or find your profile, posts, or story on Instagram. Just click on back, and this is basically it on where you can find block list on Instagram. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.